Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable to show the TSZs on the NavShip application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tattoo the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the settings button. Scroll down and in the map settings option you can find the second option, the show TSZs, show info when route leads over travel separation zone. And if you want to enable, just click to the next white circle, and if the circle is become blue, this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.